Have you ever thought about how you eat? If not, then today's topic, mindful eating, might be a game changer for you. Mindful eating is a transformative practice that can reshape your relationship with food. It's about savoring every bite, paying attention to hunger and satiety cues, and choosing foods that are both enjoyable and nourishing. This powerful technique can even aid in weight loss. Now that you have a basic understanding of mindful eating, let's delve into how you can practice it. The first step towards mindful eating is being fully present for your meals, and here's how to do it. Immerse yourself in the experience of eating. Pay attention to the food on your plate, its colors, smells, flavors, and textures. Let your senses take in the details. The vibrant hues of fruits and vegetables, the aroma of spices, the crunch of a crisp apple, the smooth texture of yogurt. Now let's talk about chewing. It's not just about breaking down food for digestion, it's about savoring every bite, taking the time to relish the flavors swirling in your mouth. Slow down, there's no rush. Next, eliminate distractions. Turn off the TV, put away your smartphone, it's just you and your meal. When the external noise fades away, you can listen to your internal cues better. When you're fully present, you can truly savor your food and become aware of your eating habits. And that's the art of being present. Next, let's learn how to listen to your body's hunger and satiety cues. Your body is an incredible machine, equipped with its own internal communication system. It sends you signals when it needs fuel, and lets you know when it's had enough. These signals come in the form of hunger pangs when it's time to eat, and a feeling of fullness when it's time to stop. But in our fast-paced lives, we often overlook these cues, resulting in overeating or undereating. When you practice mindful eating, you tune into these cues and understand them better. You learn to differentiate between physical hunger and emotional hunger. You start to realize that the urge to eat might not always come from your stomach. Sometimes it comes from your heart, your stress, or your boredom. By acknowledging these signals, you can prevent overeating and make healthier food choices. This understanding can lead to a healthier relationship with food, one where you eat to nourish, not just to satiate. Remember, your body knows best. Paying attention to its signals can guide you towards healthier eating habits. Now let's explore how mindful eating involves making healthier food choices. Mindful eating is not just about savoring every bite, but it's also about being aware of what you're consuming and why. It's about asking yourself, am I truly hungry, or am I eating because I'm bored, stressed, or tired? By being in tune with your motivations for eating, you can make healthier and more satisfying choices. When you eat mindfully, you engage with your food on a deeper level. You become cognizant of the nutritional value of your meal, and you appreciate the nourishment it provides. This awareness can lead you to naturally gravitate towards foods that are both delicious and beneficial for your body. Remember, it's not about following a rigid diet or punishing yourself for cravings. It's about understanding your body's needs and responding to them in a balanced way. By being mindful, you can replace impulsive eating with thoughtful choices. Lastly, let's discuss the significant aspects of non-judgment and appreciation in mindful eating. At the heart of this practice is the concept of non-judgmental awareness. It's about observing your physical and emotional responses to food without labeling them as good or bad. It's about acknowledging that eating is a necessity, not a moral issue. In doing so, you can create a healthier relationship with food, free from guilt and anxiety. Simultaneously, mindful eating encourages appreciation. Consider the journey your food has taken to reach your plate. Think about the farmers who cultivated the crops, the animals that might have been involved, the chefs or even yourself who prepared the meal. Recognizing these efforts fosters gratitude and can enhance the enjoyment of your meal. So, as you take each bite, remember to let go of judgment and embrace appreciation. With non-judgment and appreciation, mindful eating becomes a more enriching and fulfilling experience. So, what have we learned about mindful eating today? It's about being present, savoring every bite and paying heed to our hunger and satiety cues. It's about making mindful choices and understanding why we eat what we do. It's about practicing non-judgment and fostering appreciation for the journey our food takes from the farm to our plates. Remember, mindful eating is not a diet, but a practice. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress. Happy mindful eating.